Okay guys, so yesterday was the last day of school, so I don't have school today. And yesterday our backyard had flooded. Me and my best friend were playing out here, and the rain just suddenly goes on for like 2 minutes, then stops. Then I got a flash flood alert, but there was no rain or anything. Like after that one rain for like 2 minutes, it just stopped raining right after. I didn't think it would rain again. Wrong. We were in our gazebo. We were in my gazebo, and like we didn't know what to do. The rain just started pouring on us, so we immediately, because we were over there, we were like, oh, my dog. We were over there on the swing set, and swing on swings, and it just starts. So we run to here. When we run to here, no joke, it looks like we got sprayed with a hose head to toe. So immediately we undid this, undid that one, like undid all of these. Then I all brought them together and zippered it up. Because I zipper, so no rain gets in and stuff. Plus, it gets super cozy and inside, and oh my gosh, like there was a whole entire puddle right here. Like we wanted to go and lift the thing up we wanted to lift it up to see how bad it was raining. It was raining so bad that whenever we lifted it up, there was like a whole entire puddle right here. And right now I'm getting my feet soaked because it's still super soaked. What does it look like underneath? Like it is still super wet. Like what about over here? Like these pillows are submerged. Oh my god. I don't know what to do. But it was like, oh my god. And then when the rain calmed down a little bit, my best friend left. And we were, so then I left to go to the mall, so he could get a present for my mom, and stuff. So we did that, and yeah, and then in the car, all I hear is this beep, beep, beep on my phone, and it was a flash. It was an emergency flash flood, and oh my god, it starts pouring. And then my sister decided to park next to a flood area where it commonly floods. She parked there, and so now her car might be flooded. I don't know, but she doesn't take her car to work or to college or anything, but because her brakes don't work. So yeah, but there was no time for an intro. I just wanted to get that in so you guys know. And then when me and my best friend decided to make a run for it, it decided to rain even harder and we said it one more time, and it got even harder. So we actually made a run for it. But all we could make it to was to that door. Like, to the door. To this door and in the garage. Like, that's it. Those of you that don't know what my backyard looks like, this is what it looks like. Some YouTubers have like this crazy, fun, lots of money life, but not me. My life is average. But yeah, I don't want to do like super long videos on this channel. I'll probably be doing like daily reports that take like, I don't know, 7 to 8 minutes maybe, or something, or do like a little truth or dare kind of thing, or just dare, all dares. Yeah, but my friend wanted me to she gave me a dare. She wanted me to text my dad that I had a boyfriend when I don't. And I didn't text him because my phone died. So, yeah. But please subscribe and like this video. I want to try to get to 200 thumbs up. If we could do that, I might be doing a giveaway. If we can get to these 50 subscribers, then I'll definitely be doing a giveaway. So come on, please subscribe, share this video, make your other friends subscribe, and yeah, bye.